ready for gardening work.
We are getting ready for our gardening work. What are we going to do?
And we pick all the weeds because we are having, because I called this a cubby house and we changed it because Daddy changed it to where we keep our vegetables.
Alright, so this is what we're working with. Overgrown, the old chook house. Got an apricot tree sprouting up here. With all these weeds we've got to get rid of, bud.
Yes, and
I can see your hand.
that means
Let's get to work, you reckon?
Look at this one. My one's so big. Ta-da! I got the whole thing. This one's hard. You do the hard one. Daddy, this pile looks big already. Look, see? All the ruddy ones are picking. And I turned up the weed castle. Have you done that?
The king of the weed castle.
Ugh. Daddy, I can see an apple. Yeah. Look over there. Apple. You have to
Stay there. Put that one down. Right. It might be time to head for cover. What do you reckon? Before we head in, just before this rain starts to hit us here, is the old beds that I used to grow the old veggies in. I've had chooks in here, but we got rid of the old chooks, so all this soil is going to be absolutely delicious. And yeah, it's pissing rain, so time to head in, folks.